Okay, hello. I came up here with my customer. Some condition has been changed. I came up here. I did a video last time. It was Saturday, 2 days ago, and they are changing floors. And it will be 2 bedrooms, first and the third and the second, bedroom. This one is the third bedroom. Second bedroom, they are changing the floor now. This one should be the third bedroom. Third bedroom changing floor has been completed. Floor change has been completed. But the problem is, on the first video I said this one, this yellow floor will be replaced, but the landlord said it cost 300,000, so they changed their mind not to change it. But instead of it, the landlord is considering installing an air conditioner in the main bedroom. So maybe I should leave the first video also, and this one will be updated soon because for the better and correct information. I just wanna note you update it. Can you see? That's the entrance. My customers are up on the roof now. Yes, you may see some view from this side. A little bit, it's not that great. So, but at least you can see some trees and Namsan Mountain if you turn your head to the left. Oh, it's pretty. Wind breeze through the window, and it's very hot and humid. And my customer, French female, asked the landlord how much it cost for utility in winter. The landlord said that for 3 or 4 months it cost every month it cost 200,000 won for gas. But normally electricity it should be 50,000. And everyone, okay, that's true. This one is the refrigerator, big refrigerator stay. I should show you this side, the storage and boiler is here. It cost about 200,000. That's what the landlord said in winter every month. Okay. Okay. Let's see inside. Thank you very much.